There you go. Safe stack. I can hear plenty of birds. There might be some here. Puffins. It's here again. Look at that. Gonna book a trip on that. We're right at the safe stack. I don't know if you can zoom in, it's like this. Just gonna see if there's any puffins here or any dolphins about. Fur rate drop down, there don't look like as many birds here yet, to be fair. What's here? Aye? Oh, it smells like penguin poop, doesn't it? So there's definitely plenty of birds here. I can see them all over there. They've not all come in though yet, Jim Bob, look. There's still quite a lot of gaps and there's nothing to the left really. They're all on the island itself. A few steps on here. There's a fur raid drop. Hey, there is guillemots and stuff down there, James. Some razorbills. Let's have a look, see if we can spot any penguins, yeah, flying penguins. Fur raid trek down these steps, 400 in total, and quite a bit down. You can see still a fur raid bit of a drop down there. I'm not going to go all the way down, I'm just coming to this section. There is another bit a little bit further down which comes out on the edge here that you can see quite well. This looks like it's been opened up, I don't know, weird. Yeah, see if we can see out down there.
All put up behind the bulbs and stuff, aren't they?
Get yourself in it, yeah, baby. Yeah, get the light house in it then if you can, yeah. Turn it sideways.
That's just living off that macro and he shoots up rocks, maybe. Too flat. It's dark. What the hell is on this one then? That scared me. I thought it was a wasp. It's just a set mark fly.